Hi, this is Mrs. Owens. I'm going to walk you through Zearn today. So, first, Zearn, you just go to Zearn, like the word learn with a Z.org. And it doesn't have an app. If you are on a device like an iPad or something, you have to just go to whatever internet browser you use. So, I'm using Google Chrome. I went to Zearn.org. When your student gets to this page, they're going to click sign in with Google and they're going to use their student login. So I'm going to pretend to be Erin today. So when you log in, Zearn shows you your home screen. You have 4 parts to each lesson. So this one has a number gym. It has another part, and the end part will always be called the Tower of Power. That's kind of like the end quiz to prove that you learned something. So we want to get 3 towers of power every week for homework. After that, you can start earning stickers for super improvers. If one week you only do 2, you can make it up the following week. After that following week, it becomes really tricky to keep track of. So if you miss a few lessons, I will communicate that on Monday, and then you have that week to catch up. When you finish a lesson, you're going to record it on your Zearn math log that comes home in the homework. You're going to write the name of the lesson. I see that this one is called Lesson 1 Need for Speed. So I'm going to write Lesson 1 Need for Speed. And after I do the number gym, I'm going to check mark it. After I do this second part, I will put another check mark. After I do this third part, I will do another check mark. And after I do the Tower of Power, I'll put another check mark. So we'll have 12 check marks because each lesson has 4 parts and we're doing 3 lessons. So once you have those 12 check marks, you are good to go. And you will know that your student has done that because you can check after every Tower of Power. So after every lesson, they get a badge. And you can see how many badges per week they've earned by clicking on this calendar icon. When you click on the calendar icon, obviously it's the first week of school, so Erin hasn't done any yet, but that is okay. It will have a badge here, like a circle shield image that will show that one, and it will say 1 lesson is done. And then it will show how many lessons have been finished that week. If I notice after we've done I Ready, if it showed up that your student had a gap in a previous area, let's say they don't know how to tell time. So second grade, first grade standard, but they need to work on it. I will assign lessons and put them in their math library, and they can do those lessons too. These look like they're from last year, but and I will clear out those old ones. But that will allow them to work on some assignments that are individualized for them. So I hope this helps. We're doing 3 Zearn a week. You're recording it on your log. If you do not have access to a device, please reach out as soon as possible so we can get you one so we can start Zearning. All right, thank you.